Hey guys, it's me again, Kurt, Director of Business Development here on BigLinker. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you the formula on having an optimized LinkedIn profile so that you can get more clients, meetings, and sales out of LinkedIn. And we are going to use Ariana's LinkedIn profile as example. So Ariana Havington is the top four most followed people on LinkedIn. She has more than 10 million followers, and if she's on that level, it means that she's doing something right. So let's check her LinkedIn profile, and I'm going to teach you the formula. Let's begin. The first thing that you need to do if you want to have an optimized LinkedIn profile, you need to create or have an attractive profile photo. It doesn't need to be perfect, it doesn't need a lot of editing. You just need to have a neat, professional looking photo. Do not use your dog's photo or your cat's picture. It should be you. And it should be a clean looking professional photo. Again, don't like use wacky photos on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not about, it's not like Facebook. It's about showing off yourself and your services and how you can help others. The next formula is having a profile photo that somehow represents you or your services or your business. So as you can see, Ariana uses his brand, Thrive Global, and uses a theme which is color purple. I think it's her theme with other social media pages as well, like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, like Neil Patel is using orange on every social media platforms that he is in. So, maybe this is her theme. So, I do suggest as well you create a theme and stick with it if you are starting growing your social media pages. The next thing that you need to do is to have an informative headline on LinkedIn. So, what is the headline? This is the headline on LinkedIn. The first rectangular area that you see, it must have information about you. Are you a CEO? Are you a freelancer? Are you a founder? Whatsoever. Put it here and put contact information. Make sure that it's connected with other social media as well. It helps with the optimization of your LinkedIn profile if it's connected with other LinkedIn pages. So whenever people type your name on Google, I'm sorry. So for example, if you type in my name here, Kurt Ugly Guy, it will show LinkedIn. Yeah. So number one is LinkedIn because I have a pretty good or optimized LinkedIn profile. And the next part would be other media pages or social media pages, platforms that I am in, like Facebook and yeah, Pinterest, Instagram. But the number one thing that I have here is LinkedIn because I am active on LinkedIn and I know how to optimize my LinkedIn profile. So if you want that to happen, that when you search your name, your LinkedIn profile goes up on the search, you need to follow this instruction so that you can have it for yourself as well. So again, connect your LinkedIn profile with other LinkedIn pages by putting the links here on your contact info. And as you can see, she also put here her um, website for her business, which, like I told you, LinkedIn is not about just yourself. It's about your business. It's about how you can help people on LinkedIn, how you can help businesses on LinkedIn, and it's about products, it's about services, about your achievements. So it's great that she put her um, website here. The next thing that you need to do is you need to be active on posting on LinkedIn. As you can see, she just posted 2 hours ago, 19 hours ago, one day. So she's posting like two times a day, twice a day, which is consistently she's doing it. So that's a good thing. That means that she's really doing the effort, the legwork to make sure that her LinkedIn profile is constantly growing. So that is great. I'm not even close to that yet, but yeah, she's good. She deserves her 10 million followers. So uh, the next part is the about me section. As you can see, this is a great technique when you're writing about me section. Ariana Huffington is the founder and CEO of Strive. It sounds like somebody is talking for you. You know, let's just say you attend a gathering and you are invited to that event, and then there's an MC saying that Arena Habiton is our visitor. She is the founder of this and that. That's how she's making it sound like. She's not saying that I am the founder. She's trying to make it sound like there's a third person involved, which is a great technique when writing the about section. And also, you need to talk about your business here on the about section. Talk about your services more, not just yourself, not just where you graduated, what companies have you started and sold to bigger corporations, something like that. It should be focused on now, on what products and services you are promoting. This is a powerful way to promote your business, the about section. The next thing is that in the experience, yeah, she only has to. It doesn't need to be a lot. It just needs to be precise. That you work here, you have this experience, so that people know more about you. Let's just say you're a freelancer and you work for multiple clients. You can have it here, so people can have reference about you and how you work, the things you've done, and people that they can contact with to know more about your work ethics, something like that. The next thing is publications. So not everyone has publications. It means that she wrote an article or book and she wants to share it on LinkedIn and she added it on the publication section. That is great. And I think the only thing missing is recommendations. So if you are a startup business and you're starting to have clients and they like your business, they like your services, you can ask them to create a recommendation on your LinkedIn profile. That will make you look good. Let's just say you have 10 CEOs or founders here on your LinkedIn profile recommending you. It will be powerful. A lot of other CEOs and founders would be attracted to your business and would trust you because other CEOs are using you. That means that you're doing something right. Okay, so that is the formula on having an optimized LinkedIn profile. It's very simple. Have a great profile photo. Make sure that your cover photo represents your business or your services. Have an informative headline. Keep on posting. Be active on social media on LinkedIn, and make sure that your experience is precise so that people who want to hire you or avail your services or products knows more about your experience, what you can do, and who can they contact as reference whenever they want to know about your work ethic. And yeah, post publications if you do have, and ask for your clients or previous clients to make recommendations on LinkedIn for you. So that is the way, the formula on how to have an optimized LinkedIn profile so that whenever somebody search you on Google, the first thing that they will see is your LinkedIn profile. All right. So, by the way, I just wanted to know that LinkedIn is a very powerful social media platform. You're getting tons and tons of meaning out of LinkedIn. So, if you want to get all of this meaning, watch our videos on social media, check our playlist. We are giving a lot of tips and tricks and advices on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to connect with clients, how to contact them, how to convert them to paying clients, and a lot more. So we also do suggest that you go to biglinker.com. Check out our website. We have a lot of information here that could help you grow your business on LinkedIn. And you can send us a chat or book a demo meeting with us. And we will have a representative that will be on that meeting helping you out. You can request for me if you want. Just when you book a meeting, ask for I want her to be on this meeting to help me out with my LinkedIn marketing strategy, and I'll be there for you. So again, visit our website, biglinker.com, send us a chat or book a meeting with us, and we will definitely help you out on your LinkedIn journey. Again, this is Kurt, Director of Business Development here on Big Linker, and I just want you to have more success and prosperity. So I hope you let me help you on your business. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Bye bye.